What's up guys, this is Adi and you're watching my channel Superficial Collection. Guys, I ordered a iPhone funny cover from Club Factory on 20th of April. I ordered this on 20th of April and I got it today, that is on 5th May 2018. I ordered this for around 256 bucks, and so let's check it out. This is the package I got from Club Factory, standard packet with some holes in it. That's okay. Okay, so let's cut it from here. Packaging is quite okay, nothing of very fancy, so this much in the packet. Let's keep this aside. This is the case. Okay, the MRP here is 385. The date of import is 4th April 2018. Manufacturer country is China, and that's pretty much it. There are some useless things written on the packet. This packet seems to be a waterproof bag, but I don't know. Let's here's the cover. The cover seems quite okay. There are some marks over here. I don't know what are they for. And this plastic does seem like some kind of leather. The texture is like that. And the funny thing about this is this chicken. Please watch carefully. If you press this chicken, you'll see an egg coming out of it, and that egg also contains a yolk. As you can see, it has a egg-like substance inside it. If you press it, it shows like this. So guys, this was pretty much it about the cover. By the way, I did not have to pay any customs while receiving this packet. It came from a courier named Ecom Express, and no customs for me. Thank you for watching guys. Do subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, do hit the like button. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.